This is the Life Fitness leg extension and hamstring curl. 2 exercises, 1 machine. For the leg extension, you want to be sat upright, facing forward, with your shins underneath the roller. Now, dependent on the length of your shin, depends on how far you want this roller towards the ground. And again, you simply pull the red toggle out, lower it down to your desired length, or raise it, depending on how long your shins are. Hold on to the handles to firmly plant yourself in the chair and extend your legs fully. All the way down so that the weight's just shy of touching, and then all the way up. Pushing with even pressure on both legs, and you can feel your thigh muscles working. Second exercise, hamstring curl, the back of your leg. Pull the handle out and flatten the chair down to a static, all the way down to that bottom pin. You'll also notice that automatically raised the seat that you were on. I'll show you again. The seat comes down, as it goes back, the seat comes up. Now, you'll be lying face down with your legs hooked underneath here. You can either hold on to the handles here if that feels more comfortable, or you've got handles just here to hold on to, but you can even simply rest your arms in front of you. Squeezing with your legs, you pull the weight towards your bum, and then extend it all the way down to the start. Up towards your bum, all the way down to the start. And again, the length of your leg depends on how far you want this to be. So you simply pull that out. You can shorten it for a shorter leg and lengthen it for a longer leg.